Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Jewelz by Natalie. My name is Natalie Rosie, and we're going to do some fabulous hoop earrings. Everything tonight is going to be a hoop earring. If you are new shopping with me, just go ahead and comment hashtag register, or I'm sorry, hashtag new in the comment section below. Everything I'm showing is $8. Shipping is $6.55 flat rate, and for every 10 pieces you order, you get one for free. When you spend $100 or more, you get free shipping, my friends. So we're going to jump in, and we're going to do this super quick, and we are going to have a blast doing this, my friends. So let's get into this. This is going to be number 301 hoop earrings. They're going to be a darker metal earring. You're going to have a nice post. It will be a larger earring, which is really cute. Very lightweight as well. Just comment 301 for those. 301. All right? 301. Then we're going to have 302. These ones are going to be on the much heavier side. They're going to be your beautiful, heavier hoop earrings. You're going to have white rhinestones and white pearls. They go all the way around with all the design, and then you're going to have the post right there. It's going to be mostly all the way around with the actual earring, but these are going to be very flashy, very, very fun. Let me get the flash on a little bit better. There we go. So our lighting, you can see it a little better. So white rhinestones and white pearls. Very heavy on those, number 302. If you want those, just comment 302. 302. Our next pair of earrings is going to be number 303. We are going to do these cute little post back earrings, and then tomorrow we're going to do our May fashion fix. I haven't shown it yet, so we're going to be doing that tomorrow, my friends. This one's going to be our 303 earring. They're going to be a very long hoop, white rhinestones all along the entire front, and then you're going to just have silver on the back. Super cute little post back earrings. I have a couple of these. Comment 303. These are on the medium to heavier weighted side. 303 for those. $8, remember? Okay, $8 for those, my friends. Number 304 is going to be these medium-sized earrings, very lightweight. They're going to have almost like a leaf-like design type of indentation and like hollowed out space. You will have the posts on there. They're almost all the way around, and they literally are super cute, very lightweight. You can easily wear these as doubled parts if you have multiple ear piercings. So cute. Number 304, $8, my friends. 304. Then we're going to have number 305, my friend. 305. These are going to be another silver pair of earrings with a hematite or silver stone in there. They're very blinged out earrings. Now the stone goes about halfway, and then you're going to have it be just almost to the end. Post back earrings. 305. And I'm showing you, I do have some other rhinestone ones, but this one has like the double layer. You can see the rhinestones on the left and the right going straight down. They're not together. It's not symmetrical. They kind of like do a little zigzag as they go. 305 for those earrings. 305. I'm going to move those over there. Okay, then we're going to do 306. These are a fabulous pair of gold earrings. I love these. They have a little bit of a twist. There are no rhinestones, just a simple textured design going on. They almost look like the edge of a quarter or like a coin, okay? But they don't have that texture. You can't exactly feel it. But it's really, really cute because they also twist into like a little wave right here at the end. They go almost all the way around, and they are very large, lightweight gold hoops. Number 306 for those. 306, my friends. 306. Then we're going to do number 307, my friends. 307. Let me get them out. Of course, they're all connected to each other back here behind the scenes. All right, 307, we're going to have a one and done pair of hoops. These have a fabulous star as the outside, the actual like inside of the hoop, which is really cute. Gold base, and then you can see there are rhinestones in different colors all in there. So cute, okay? Different rhinestone colors. Perfect for spring and summertime. Number 307. 307 for those ones. 307. I'm trying to get these last two hoops back here away from not being crazy. I actually think I just realized I need to grab one more. Oh no, I got it. It's just over here. It's hiding. All right, this is a brass pair of hoop earrings. They're very large and in charge. Super cute post back hoops. They are very, very simple. Okay, there's literally no design. There's nothing in them. Okay, they are very simple, just very large and in charge. Super cute, very, very lightweight brass hoop earrings. Perfect for summer and fall time. Number 308, my friends. 308. Okay, I'm going to move those off to the side. 309. These are one of my favorite pairs. I love these ones so much. They have the post back earring. You can see they go almost all the way around. They are going to have white rhinestones along the top section. You're going to have the white crystals in the center. And then in the back, you will also have white rhinestones in the back. Okay. So these are light to medium weight, not heavy at all, but super fun. Number 309 if you want those. 309. How freaking cute. Okay, 309. Our last pair of earrings tonight, my friends, and then we are going to be back tomorrow. I will be showing May Fashion Fix. I'll be posting pictures tonight first, so you guys can get a claim on them first, and then I will be showing them live tomorrow. I meant to show them today, but I was unable to get them out at the moment, so I will be showing them live tomorrow, okay? All right, so these ones are going to be number 310, 310. These are on the heavier weighted side for sure. They're going to be a 3/4 of the way hoop earring with a post. You're going to see the nice scratch mark like design that's going around. And then the coolest part about these, which I love, is that they actually have an indentation that you can literally like see how cool that feels and looks. It's really neat. These are going to be number 310, 310 for those. All right, my friends, if you see any of these beautiful earrings that you cannot live without, go ahead and watch the replay. You can comment any number. Make sure you comment hashtag new. I changed it. I keep forgetting I changed it. Comment hashtag new. If you are new shopping with me, welcome in. You can also go into my Premier store on my description of the video to get into all of the goodies. Okay, you can see my Premier store and you can shop from there as well. All earrings are up and available now today, so feel free to shop those. Again, $6.55 flat rate shipping, up to $100. It is free shipping, and then for every 10 pieces you order, you get one for free. Have a fantastic rest of your night, my friends. I greatly appreciate your love and support. Don't forget to share this and invite your friends and family to join. If you're interested in hosting a party and getting free jewelry and free shipping, I ship nationwide, please let me know. Comment party and we will get you started. It is all virtual. It can be either through Zoom, through text, through email, and or through a Facebook private party. Let's have some fun this summer, my friends. It's a beautiful day in May. Enjoy your night. Happy weekend. And as always, my friends, stay fabulous.